Hi, I'm Amy from RentViewer. Thank you for your interest in our free trial. In this video, I'll show what you will get. You're just 2 business days away from seeing your company's data on these dashboards, branded with your logo. Getting started is simple. No credit card is required. However, you'll need to sign the free trial agreement, so you must be authorized to sign on behalf of your company. You'll also need to grant us access to your company's data. In our free trial, we offer 2 of our most common dashboards: our financial snapshot and profit and loss dashboards. Use the financial snapshot dashboard to get an overview of 11 common accounts. Compare how you're tracking over time compared to your budgets. You can filter by month, property, or property group. Use the profit and loss dashboard to quickly interact with your P&L report. View top-level parent accounts or drill down to see the details. Filter by month and quickly see the totals for that time period. Choose 1 or more properties, or filter by account type. You can even export the dashboards to PDF for quick and easy sharing. This trial is available only for companies who use Yardi Voyager, AppFolio, Rent Manager, or Entrata, and we can build them for you in 2 business days once we have access to your data. To sign up for a free 21-day trial of these dashboards, fill out the form below. We'll need to know what property management system you use, your accounting basis, cash or accrual, and your company's name and website.